Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be downloading the Ruby version. Just open that RVM version. Uh, I have RVM installed in the system, so RVM version. Now I will go for the searching for latest Ruby version. Ruby version stable release. Okay, download Ruby. Ruby release 3.2, stable release 3.1.1. So I will just go and download that version. So RVM is going to help us to manage the Ruby version. So RVM install Ruby version. Ruby version manager, uh, and it helps to manage the Ruby version. You can download that Ruby version. You can download multiple Ruby version. You can change the Ruby version. You can uninstall the Ruby version. And Ruby version manager helps you to do all of these things. Just let me download that and I will play around that as well. Okay, so now we have downloaded that Ruby version. You can check Ruby version. We have installed that Ruby 3.2.0. Okay, you can list out how many versions of Ruby I have. So earlier we have the Ruby 3 version. Now we have installed this. You can install the another version, Ruby version as well. 2.2.7.1. Okay, so it will just download that as well. Now I am having Ruby version, Ruby 2.7.1. Okay, I can switch it to the different version means I'm just asking what Ruby version I am using. 2.7.1. I can change the Ruby version as well. rvm use, first list out all the version. rvm use, I will change that to 3.2.0. And now I will ask what is my Ruby version. It will tell you now you are using 3.2.1. You can open the terminal and use the commands with the latest versions Ruby, all the updates from the Ruby version. You can play around that. You can also uninstall that as well. rvm uninstall that Ruby. Okay, let me uninstall that. Okay, so now rvm list, we have only two versions of Ruby. So you can play around that. Means rvm helps to install, up, uninstall, change the Ruby version and play around that. Thank you.